an example on how to create your own video creation, the best thing to do is to keep things simple. Send out a team to conduct interviews with the public and have them try the product to get their genuine reactions and responses. You want to ask things like leading questions that will promote a good response. It doesn't have to be super high quality production either. There are simple Bluetooth mics that you can connect to your smartphone, and most smartphones now record in 4K as well. But the most important thing is you don't need to overthink things. An example on time and how to shoot a video. Let's take, for example, a brand that is a natural soap or natural candle. You could have people smell the soap or candle, read out the list of ingredients that it goes into making the soap, capture how most brands put a ton of pronounceable chemicals in their soaps or candles, and then use it to your advantage. Simple video creation for problem solving a product or showing off the key USPs would be the first 3 seconds. Start with the brand logo, and packed with the most impactful clip you have, maybe someone visibly distressed or a clear clip of a problem that your product will solve. 3 to 5 seconds, them holding the product, raising up to the camera, things like that. 5 to 10 seconds, maybe longer, depending on the product and its USPs. But them using the product. If your product has more than one step, then this will definitely be longer. But it also helps if you overlay your video with text describing the benefits, and obviously any captions on when people are talking. So subtitles are important, of course. And then the next 10 to 13 seconds, maybe longer, the noticeable difference that your product had in the problem. And finally, the last 13 to 15 seconds, close with the brand logo, or a person holding up the product to the camera, preferably smiling, with the difference your product has caused still in the frame if that's possible.